Hello friends, now we are heading towards another section, that is adding your professional experience. Please note that would be like similar one if you are adding a volunteer experience as well. So volunteering and normal experience are a bit confusing. So please note, if you are not earning anything from that and doing it for a social cause, then it goes with the volunteer experience. And now if you are getting paid, then it is in add position. So you can add your internship programs in the add position also. So let's add one internship program which I have done during my post graduation. So first and foremost thing, you need to type in and select the company name from the drop down list. So title of my work profile was marketing intern. Now there are lots of options and you need to be very precise and read all the options available. Now you can see there is marketing design intern, marketing research intern, marketing and promotion intern. So whichever profile is more suitable for you, you can go for that. If you are a little bit confused, just go for simple marketing intern. Okay, then employment type means something which relates to your work mode. If you are going for the full time like 8 hours or 7 hours a day, then it will be like full time. In case you want, if you have invested only 3 to 2 hours a day, it will go into the part time or half day. Then self-employed, that means that you have initiated this job on your own and now they are just asking you to complete this task and giving no restriction to the timings. So that is self-employed. Then we have freelancing, kind of contract base. So in case you have any specific task, they are just paying you for that typical task. Once the task is done, you are all okay with that profile. Now my interesting task is here, that is internship. And internship is really a kind of choice which I would like to take for this case. And trainee is there. Trainee also earns some money, but like it is of not related to the educational project or educational qualification. Internship kind of relates with the educational or during the educational journey, and trainee will be like starting a new journey in as an employer, as an employee. So let's check with the internship. Then type in any company name. Please note there are lots of company names. So you need to be very precise during selection. Okay, there might be different titles beneath. You need to check with the titles and select the proper one. Why it is important? Because once you are selecting the proper title, then only you will be recommended to that area, that arena. You can see the manufacturing is different thing, industrial machine marketing, manufacturing different thing. So let's check for the IT. Now location we need to type in here. See, there is again a selection drop down. Why we are insisting you to select from the drop down is that it is already search engine optimized. So that will be very much beneficial for you. So location type, please note employment type is all about your work profile, and company whether it asked you to report on site on their facility or hybrid, whether they have asked you to come for only 2 days or remote, that they have just provided you the laptop or you have done all the work online. So I was like working there on site. Then I am currently working in this role. If you are ticking this, this is the tick button. As you can clearly see, the end date is invisible during this. I am currently working this role is ticked. And if you disable it, you will also have a description of your work profile. You have 2000 characters over here. I will definitely help you out with writing this description well. Uh, and if joining date is not mentioned, it is not considered as a valid proof of working. So please mention the year, and that will definitely help you out for your search engine optimization. Now you can end few of the positions here, as if some positions are of full time. You should consider this as a valid thing. We need to, if it is a full time, see, now we have entered internship, so there is no worry of this category over here. Now which is the industry, then again please note, you have to consider this as an prime selection criteria. They have given us a lots of industries, and industry means the stream where your work profile is molded into. So now let's consider manufacturing. So you can see manufacturing, there are different types of manufacturing you can opt in for. So please select any uh, out of that, then write a description about that. Please note, the description about this currently working is for the work profile shifted down here. Okay, so don't be confused about that. Then if in case you want to change your headline, then you can directly type in the changed headline over here. If you don't want to change, it will be remain the same. Now the skills, you can add different skills which you have earned during this work profile. Okay, don't get confused with any other things. The skills you have earned in this profile, now they have capped it for 5 skills. So please note, it should not exceed the 5, or else that will be like overlapping something. What I will suggest you to keep one or two common between your education and the internship project. So in case you previously you have used the different internship skill, the college skills, that will be again used here. In case you have any project management skills, so that will be used here, will be prominently added again, and it will denote that what you have learned in the course will be also reflected here during this internship program. So your project management skill is more prominent for your new employer. So that is most important thing. Then media, you can add different photos, and after adding the photos you can just give the information about why you have earned that thing, and what seminar was that, or which presentation you have given, or which work you have done. Please note, please do not share any confidential or internal documents over here. That will be problematic for you and your profile. So only share those things which are very much ready to be shared publicly. So that is it. You can apply. Please don't hesitate. If you want any, if you have any confusion, please give me a call, and I will tell you how we can have a description of this whole thing. So you can type in like that, and the photo of VP, your blurred presentation slide, and yourself standing there, and that's it. Then you can set apply. So it will be visible over here. So more the description you provide, more it will be good for the LinkedIn to fetch it out and suggest you the newer jobs. And then type in save. As if I'm online right now and just giving a demonstration, I can't press save, but after pressing save, it will be visible on your profile. So how it looks once you are adding all your educational detail, uh, adding all your experience details. So look into it right now. See, this is my educational details. Sorry, this is my experience details. So working as a career counselor, assistant professor, career counselor, founder, then all these. Please note these are all in the reverse chronological orders, and you should maintain that too. So that's all for this adding experience into the LinkedIn. In case you have any doubts, please comment on the assignment, and also don't forget to submit with the mark as done button. All the best for your assignments, and thank you.